Hello everyone, this is Christmas pinwheel cookies, and this all boxed up to ready for the children. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. That means a lot to me. Thank you. Now let's get cooking. This is the ingredients you need. And the butter should be soft but not runny, and that's the key to successful cookies. You can see I remove the paper, and I stick my bitter in there, and it's just go soft. So I like to go it first like this before I add in the sugar. So the sugar here I use granulated sugar, but if you like to use powdered sugar, it's fine. So I use granulated sugar. So I sieve. I put the sugar to the sieve in case there are too many crystals, like so. And just beat butter and sugar to be a mass, and we will go to the next step that we add in the eggs. So the eggs is in room temperature as well. So if you prepare to make cookies, you put the butter out, the egg out, so that there is room temperature for you. So this is the last batch of sugar, and I continue with them. You can see the crystal, because the sugar sometimes you store too long in the container, it gets crystallized like so. So I finished to beat sugar and butter into a mass. At the end of beating, you will see the butter, the mass is lighter color than yellow at the beginning. Now I added one egg and continue beating. I live in a community. Every Christmas they organize the party for the children. So I volunteer to make some cookies for them, and other people will do so too. So there will be plenty of cookies for the children to make them have fun for a day. Together with the cookies, they will have other activities like Santa Claus. So after I'm done with beating the egg, I add the flour. I use on-purpose flour, corn starch to make it to make the cookies crispier, and some salt. You are welcome to use cake flour, but I don't have cake flour, so I normally use on-purpose flour. Now I'm done. When I put the butter in, when I put the flour in, I don't try to beat it so much because the cookie will be tough. Now I divide it into three, and each one it has its own color. One is red, one is green, and one I keep white. The white will be in the middle of them. So I use the gel color here. So the rule of thumb that you add the gel color gradually, so that it don't to the extent of the color that you like. I don't like too dark color, so I add gradually and I mix until I'm happy with the color. I don't like my cookies look artificial, so I use a light color. I make light color. So I done mixing with the red color. Now I do for the green one. And when you do color like this, better wearing the gloves. So I get the glove for this green color this time. Alright, so 3 colors done. Now I try to roll them into rectangular about 6 by 12 or 13 inches. With this measurement, you will have the medium size of cookies, not too big and not too small. You don't want too big, get the children eat too much of sugar and flour and butter. So I make them medium. Notice that I use a parchment paper to roll the dough, so that they don't melt on me and they don't stick to my rolling pins. When you put the 2 colors together, it might not match perfectly, so I try to amend the dough now. My goal is to get them match perfectly. That way when you roll the cookies, they will have a very nice pinwheel. So I'm done with the green and the white. Now I do the red color. Same thing, I use my hand to press it down first and use the rolling pin, just roll and stretch with the measurement that I wanted to, 6 by 12, and I need it to be rectangular, the same size as the other 2. Now I bring the red over and try to flip it over, and I think I did a good job. Now the only thing left that roll the dough into a log. So I started with one long side and I try to make it neat right here, so that later the pinwheel will start in the center and it looks nice that way. It's something about the holiday when you hand someone some cookies that you make. It have the festive spirit. There's something for me to look forward to every year. So I keep this tradition. Before the holiday, I'm pretty busy baking, cooking to give to people. So I'm done rolling. Now at this point, your log should be chilled. So I put the log in the freezer for 5-10 minutes. If you really want to make it right away, otherwise you can put it in the fridge for an hour to 2 hours. It's pretty long, so I cut my roll into 2. And to be fun, I will adhere sprinkle into it, onto the roll. When you adhere the sprinkle onto the roll, it instantly look holiday. Now the dough pretty hard now after being in the freezer, so you should get some like a honey water or a simple syrup to brush on the roll before adhere to the sprinkles. Whenever it don't adhere, you have to press them in. My goal here is to get the sprinkle on as much as I can. So if you are with me so until now, I'd like to take an opportunity to say thank you for stopping by, watching my video. You are the reason I'm here. I know if I know anything, I like to share them with you, so please subscribe. So I already cut my cookies onto pieces that less than half an inch. I don't want to thick, I don't want to thin. So, and I baked it for 350 degrees for 15 minutes, and that's it, done. And this is ready for the children. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye bye.